Okay, okay, Bogs, one start ya, Bogs. No, continuation lang to ni Ma'am Divine. So, let's start para matapos na tayo. Okay, first, hatching condition and period. So, who can read this portion? Okay, anyone? Okay, Divine, please read. Okay, so in hatching condition period, no, the approximate date of hatching the eggs is 21 days. Kapag sumobra na tayo, no, hindi na yun ma-hatch or in local pa sa atin, sa mga Chabacano, magiging bugok na yun. So in hatching condition, no, the incubation temperature is required lang is 99.5 degree Celsius Fahrenheit or 37.5 Celsius degree Celsius. So with the humidity level with 50 to 55% during the first 18 days. So it means starting sa first day hanggang sa 18 days. Yung humidity pressure niya is temperature rather is 50 to 55% lang. And then they will increase into 65% during naman sa final days. So, ano yung final days? It it might be in 19 days to 21. Okay, gets nyo ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so in hatching condition, no, kailangan talaga makompleto yung 21 rather days to ensure na magiging successful yung pag-hatch ng mga eggs natin. So, yung humidity naman is nakakatulong din yun to help para maging fully develop yung eggs natin. So, in doing that, no, kailangan natin uh, i-follow yung guidelines ng specific guidelines in how to use the incubator for our successful hatching for our eggs. Gets nyo? Gets lang ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, next na. Arjeline, please. Okay. 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 Things to prepare and do after hatching of the eggs. So first is leave them in the incubator initially. So keep the chicks in the incubator for a few hours after hatching to allow them to dry and gain strength. So syempre, it is important after hatching, no, kailang di natin basta-basta kunin agad yung mga baby chicks kasi may tendency na maging matamlay or hindi healthy yung mga chicks. So it is important to leave them in the incubator para magain nila yung strength and also para maging dry sila. So second is okay, Titing, please read number 2 para may ano tayo, interaction tayo. Titing or nandito ba si Titing? Okay, never mind niya lang. So second is prepare brooder. Set up a brooder with a heat lamp or other heat source to maintain a warm environment for the chicks. The temperature should be around 95 Celsius Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius initially and then gradually reduce over the coming weeks. So, after hatching, no, dapat i-prepare natin yung brooder. So, ano ba yung brooder? Guys, anyone, ano yung brooder? Guys. Okay, Julina, what is brooder?
It is a machine that where the hens, it where the eggs, yung saan siya ilalagay, no?
Okay. It can be a machine, pwede machine, pero pag walang budget, pwede a cage. Pero with a complete yung kung ano ang kailangan ng mga chicken at chicks natin. So kapag maggawa tayo ng brooder no, kailangan may heat lamp. So the heat lamp requires ano ba kulay dapat? White or yellow lamp? Julina.
Yes?
When we do our
Again, sir?
brooder no, ano bang kailangan na bulb for doing heat lamp? It is yellow or white?
I think
Okay,
it's yellow.
Julina. Yes, okay, tama. So, we need to ano, do a heat lamp with yellow bulb. No. Kasi nga mas mainit kapag yellow yung bulb natin. Okay. So next is provide clean bedding. Place clean dry bedding in the brooder to create a comfortable hygienic environment for our chicks. So it is important no kapag maggawa tayo ng bedding ng mga chicks no kailangan hygienic siya at saka komportable. Para yung ating mga chicks is komportable, healthy, productive sila. Kasi nga kasi nga yung beddings natin is ano ah yes, komportable kasi clean and comfortable yung mga chicks natin. Fourth is the water and feed. So ensure access to clean water and provide appropriate chick starter feed. Chicks should have access to water immediately to save hydrate. Okay. So, it is important no, may water at saka feed yung mga chicks natin. Kasi nga, kung wala ito, paano na? Mamatay yung mga chicks natin. And also the water. Kailangan talaga may fully supply ng water sa ating mga chicks para hindi sila ma-dehydrate. Okay, number 5. Observe for health issue. Monitor the chicks for any signs of illness or distress. Address any health issues. Promptly. Excuse me. So, provide healthy issue. So, di lang dapat i-maintain yung mga pagkain, dapat tignan din natin yung mga health ng ating mga chicks kasi may mga tendency talaga may or magkakaroon talaga ng illness or distress ang ating chicks kasi nga baby pa sila at saka yung mga immune system nila is mahina pa talaga. So, in prevention of that, we need to monitor that daily if pwede or we thrice oh yes. Sa one week it can be thrice tayo mag-monitor. So next, okay. Who can read number 6? Anyone? Sige na. Okay. So, di na to common sa atin. No, kailangan talaga consistent yung temperature sa ating brooder. For that, no, para ma, ano, para maging komportable ang ating mga chicks. So, basic lang yan. So, 7, Pabian, number 7. Okay. So, in doing brooder, wait lang. Okay. In doing a brooder, dapat may ano tayo, spacing talaga para, sorry. Space and ventilation provide enough space. Okay, tama na. So, in doing, kapag maggawa tayo ng brooder, dapat may enough space tayo sa ating mga chicks and well ventilate para hindi sila syempre, hindi sila maging suksukan, at saka well ventilate para hindi sila suffocate or madapuan ng mga sakit. Dapat well ventilate yung brooder natin. So, number 8, gentle handling. Handle the chicks gently, avoid stress, allow them time to adapt to their new environment. So, gentle handling. So, kapag maghawak tayo sa ating chicks, wag din yung yung parang iniipit na natin yung ating mga chicks, no? Kasi nga may tendency na syempre ma-stress ang ating chicken. So, in doing that, no, ito talaga may experience na tayo dito. Allow them to adapt to their new environment gaya sa ating mga manok na napas na, namatay na. Yung pag-transfer natin sa kanila dapat is properly, tsaka yung paghawak na nga dapat soft lang, gentle lang para hindi sila ma-distress. And also para ma-adapt nila kung ano ang new houses or cage nila. Okay, number 9, introduce grit and supplement after a few days. Introduce chick grip for digestion and consider adding appropriate supplements if needed. So dito na papasok yung pag pag-apply natin ng mga vitamins sa ating mga chicks. So ano-ano ba yung vitamins na dapat ibigay sa mga chicks? Anyone? Mark o si Mark, may alam yan si Mark. Ay wala si Mark o Divine.
Sir?
Unsa ba unsa ba mga vitamins katong 45 days pa lang, Mark? 45 chicks pa lang yung ating mga unsa ba ang
Bit
required?
Bitrasin
O
kung
betrasin.
sa 2 weeks or 1 weeks, Bitrasin yung powder lang, sir. Kasi
Okay.
yung
Okay. Sa feed naman,
sir,
kapag maliit pa yung chicks natin, ano ba yung thank you. So any question?
none, sir.
Answer. Sir.